Do you want to be able to fix Instagram DM not opening? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can actually fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, because if you're going to miss out on some of these steps that I'm going to show you, well, then this will not work. So that is why you need to actually stay until the end and try everything for it to work. And the first step is going to be for us to go into our Instagram app and then come to our profile right here. As you can see, now, when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do is to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, we get a couple of options in here, which is great. What I'm going to do now is to click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Now you should be taken to this page. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply scroll down in here. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says help. So click on help. Now click on report a problem, and then once again click on report a problem, click on include and continue, and now you should be taken to this page. And now you might wonder, why do I have to come to this page right here? It doesn't make any sense, and that is a great question. Basically, the reason why you need to come to this page right here is because in here we're able to contact the Facebook, or rather the Instagram customer support. They are the same, Instagram and Facebook customer support, and they are the ones that can actually help us to fix this issue. So that is why we need to come to this page right here, because in here they actually do help, just so you know, because I had this exact same problem before, and I came into this page and I wrote like this to be able to make it work. I am having issues with my Instagram direct messages. So I am having issues with my Instagram direct messages not opening. I need this to be fixed for my account. So write exactly like this, because I wrote like this myself. I am having issues with my Instagram direct messages not opening. I need this to be fixed for my account. Now click on send in the top right corner. What you're going to do now after this is to wait about 24 hours for the Instagram support to see this, and hopefully after they have seen this, then this problem should be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.